Good morning, sir. The judgment which I am going to discuss with you today was much important because on several stories which is being repeated all over world whenever famous lawyers claiming to be practicing criminal side, just like Abraham Lincoln and Mahatma Gandhi, Motilal Nehru. So they seems to have cross-examined the witnesses, stating that uh, the day on which the alleged deadly occurrence taken place was there was no electricity, and the witnesses claims to have seen the occurrence by moonlight. So therefore, it was claimed that Abraham Lincoln seems to have produced the almanac and claimed that the particular day was uh, not new moon. It is new moon, not full moon. Therefore, there is no possibility of moonlight facilitating the witness to see the occurrence. Similarly, now a case has been disposed on that slab of ratio. AAR 2024 Supreme Court 4466. AAR 2024 Supreme Court 4466. It's a case Saheb son of Maruti Bumre versus State of Maharashtra. There are 22 accused were charged for offences under section 148, 302, 324, 149. The deceased seems to be a elected Sarpanch leader and he was done to death. The PW1 seems to be the widow and wife of the deceased, and others are bloodly relation like son, daughter-in-law, etc., etc. And some of them were acquitted by the lower court, and on appeal also some of them were acquitted, and finally before the Supreme Court few accused seems to have filed appeal against the confirmed conviction. So the ratio was very simple. I will read now. They disbelieved the evidence because the deceased, widow of the deceased, not specify the assault on the deceased by each accused, and she was saying that there was sufficient moonlight to identify the accused person because there is admittedly power cut. But she did not say whether it was full moonlight or at least what will be the positioned moon, so that she was able to identify the accused. Therefore, and other inconsistencies in the testimony of widow, the Supreme Court considering disbelieving the evidence of the only PW1, the other witnesses evidences also disbelieved by the High Court and acquitted the accused. And this is by ratio, but I would like you, those who are a criminal side practitioner as well as preparing for assistant public prosecutors, to go through the entire judgment, running a few pages. This is only 4 pages, so that you can understand how the lower court, trial court, and the High Court disbelieved the evidences despite they deposed before the court that they are the eyewitnesses. Unfortunately, those witnesses are interested witness, and kindly go through the entirety of judgment. But ratio is this that the witness did not speak about the size of the moon, whether it is full moon or to what extent that moon was shining. In the absence of that evidence, seems to have rewritten the history of moonlight playing vital role in criminal trial. I hope you understand. Best wishes.